season, y'all, which means it's time to bring dips over to people's homes. Enjoy them in your own home. Just dip it all over the place. But I will tell you, there is a secret to an artichoke dip that you don't even know about yet. Let me introduce you to Sir Kensington's Classic Ranch. All right, so the base of this dip is sticky caramelized onions. As I take the onions, I've got 2 here, cut them in half. Nice giant quarters, and then nice bite-sized pieces. Now, I have about a tablespoon of oil, and this pan is pretty hot, but I'm gonna turn down the heat to low and let these just stew. So that is the trick. Low and slow gives you the really caramelized, dark, rich onions. So one great trick when caramelizing onions is to add a big pinch of salt, which kind of brings out the moisture and allows them to kind of stew and caramelize in their own juices. It's been about 45 minutes, again, low. I know that seems like a long time, but that's what gives you kind of this candy-like caramelized onions. Really sweet, delicious. I've got some garlic now, and I'm just gonna kind of smash, give it a quick chop, and everyone in the pool. Then I've got some canned artichokes. I am not above canned artichokes. If you want to go peel this many artichokes, this right here, this would take you 3 years, maybe 4 years, right? You might be dead. You might not make it to the end of the artichokes. Grab them, put them on your board, just give them a good hack through. Random, nice chop. Artichokes, right in. Give everything a good stir. All right, so now is when you take this whole dish to a different stratosphere. So I'm gonna grab Sir Kensington's mayo, and I'm gonna go with about a cup. Right in. Then I'm gonna grab the classic ranch, which already has so many amazing spices in it. So this really brings it from a flavor standpoint, about a half a cup of that. Good Parmesan cheese. This is gonna help everything kind of stick together, but also just bring a salty creaminess. And then you're just gonna kind of fold that through. And let's be honest, this is the first thing to go. You have people over for the game, you know the dip is always the one that you never get a lick of. So make a little extra. Now I'm gonna grab a smaller pan, make sure it's able to go under the broiler. And I'm gonna grab this whole mixture, and I'm just gonna kind of let it fall right inside. Smooth this all the way to the edges. That looks great. Grab some Gruyere cheese, and this you do not want to be shy on. This looks so good. So I'm gonna put this in the broiler for about 2 minutes or so until it's kind of bubbling and hot lava-y. I love it. This is gonna be insane. This looks amazing. Look at that. It almost looks like a creme brulee. Like, this is savory cooking at its best. I've got some crackers. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Caramelized onion, artichoke, Sir Kensington's ranch. This makes a dip worth dipping.